Hey geeks, so if you're going to be going on a short trip or just do some type of day trip, then you typically want to carry things that are important to you, but you also don't want to carry a whole bunch of stuff. And typically when I do go out, I normally take something like this, my Low Pro Urbex, which allows me to take all my essential items, but at the same time, this is kind of too big, and I definitely would not take this to the outdoors or in the woods. I just simply think this is not meant for that. This is meant for more city type of traveling. And so there are a lot of options for these smaller packages. And so today I have one that I think is going to be really great for these type of day trips. And it's this right here, the Osprey Daylite. And this is a very well-known brand. They're known for making really high quality products. And this is going to be great whether you're going to be going out in the woods, outdoors, or you're going to be going around in a more urban city environment. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now let's take a closer look at this because despite the small size, it packs a lot. So some of the really important features here is, first and foremost, this is 13 liters. And so this is a really good small and portable size, but it will give you some pretty good amount of room in here. And here, if you look at the material itself, this is made of recyclable materials, specifically polyester, and it is water resistant. And it uses high quality materials. The zippers themselves, these are YKK zippers, a really well-known high quality Japanese brand. And it also has these plastic zip pulls as well, so it makes it easy for you to open things up. And then when you look around, there are two areas right here for your water bottles. These are stretchable, and these can fit up to 1 liter. And so if you just have a water bottle or a small water bottle, fit it, but you can also fit things that are slightly bigger as well. And then on the front, there are two main pockets. So this one right here is your front pocket. It's going to allow you to carry things like your passports, wallets, electronic stuff, wires, maybe things like your phone, and I'll show you this here a little bit later as I pack it. And then here is the main compartment right here. So in this case, you can put a water bladder here, and it says it could fit up to a 14-inch laptop, but more than likely this is not something that you'd want to do unless you have some type of protection, like maybe a laptop sleeve, because it does not have a false bottom and it's not padded on the sides. But if you are going to use a water bladder, you can put the tube through right here for your water. And it has quite a bit of space, but very, very easy to use and pack. And then on the back itself, the shoulder straps, these are high quality, they are adjustable. And the thing is, on these buckles here, they're actually made by multiple manufacturers. This one right here is ITW, and then this one on the bottom is WJ right here. Yep, WJ. And the back here, as you can see, it's made of this mesh material, but it's also breathable as well. And you know, you can see here, you could use this for your torso, you know, to tighten things, and also here at the bottom for your hips right here. So that gives you a little bit more security, especially if you're going to be doing any type of hiking. This is going to be really, really useful. And also there is a whistle here as well, which is another nice feature. And there's also these little hooks right here. So if you wanted to put things on here, you can. And even the top right here, you could hold it up like this. Plus the hole is large enough where you could fit through a luggage handle. So if you wanted to go traveling and put it on top, you could do that. And then on the side itself, there are some compression straps right here. So if you wanted to make things a little bit tighter and flatter, you can do that. So overall, this has a lot of feature for such a small package, high quality, and the most important thing out of all of this is the price. So at the time they're making this video, this is about $50. I think that is a really great price for a brand that is known for making quality products. Now let's look at a sample packing that you could do. Now this one is going to be my personal packing, but you could do many other packing styles. This is meant primarily for a day trip, but the way in which you can pack it, you could probably go a little bit longer. So here I have 3 shirts, I have socks, I have my GoPro right here, I have my glasses here. I actually have 2 different glasses. I have my phone, and I also have a water bottle as well. So let's go ahead and get this in here. And I think this is like kind of a really perfect size for these type of trips where you're not packing too much, but you're packing enough where you can carry all your most important things. So at least right here, I have my clothes and my GoPro on the top largest compartment. And if you have a tablet or something, you could definitely use that, or a really thin laptop. So go ahead and zip that up. And then on my front, you know, you could have things like your phone, wallet, you know, passport, keys, stuff like that. So here, I'm just going to plug in my glasses here. So there it is. It's already done there. And then for my water bottle, goes right in there. And then I could use these compression straps if I wanted to make things tighter, like I have here. I have it right there. And yeah, so it's really easy. And like I said, it's small, lightweight, but very versatile. And also, because of its small size, you can actually use it to go on another pack as well. So here I have a 40-liter travel backpack from Tomtoc. So as you can see here, I have this fully loaded right now. I have about nearly 2 weeks of clothing and all my accessories for a longer trip. So I could actually put this in here. And that's one of the main reasons why I got it, because whenever you're traveling, you don't want to carry around your big bag with you all the time. So it's nice to have something like this where it's small, but at the same time, it'll give you more room to go on those day trips. So as you can see here, have it packed in, and then everything's in here. And just go ahead and zip things up. And there it goes. See that? Works. And now you're ready to go on your much longer trips with your travel backpack along with your day trip pack. Alright, so this is where this bag shines. If you're somebody who loves to be outdoors, whether it's for trails, hiking, or just simply walking, having something like this is really convenient. Whenever it's empty, it's about 1.2 pounds, and depending on how you pack it, this could be an extremely lightweight piece of gear, and you could actually get more support by using the front chest straps or the waist belts below. And so this is really excellent for somebody like myself who wants to pack really minimally, but at the same time have all the essentials that I need. Now, if you are going to be in a more urban city environment, this could work as your everyday carry. As long as your laptop is small and thin, it says it could hold up to a 14-inch laptop, or maybe you could use a tablet as well. And as long as you keep the weight to a minimum, this could be your everyday carry. And so this is really versatile for these types of situations as well. Now, when it comes to the cons of this bag, I think there is really only one main con for me, and that's the fact that, well, it's small. That's exactly what I was looking for. But if you do need more space, then there is a Daylite Plus, which is 20 liters. But at that point, it's going to be pretty difficult for you to fit that in your bag like what I did. I have a travel backpack, which is 40 liters, and having a 20-liter bag to go along with that is going to make it difficult, especially when I have other things packed with me. But overall, I think this Osprey Daylite is really awesome, not only for day travel, but also for an extended travel when you are using it along with a much larger travel pack. And if this is something that you want to get and you want to support my channel, I will leave an affiliate link in the description area below. And if you had any thoughts on this bag or any other travel bag that you like, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.